Hi, this is Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add items to Amazon wishlist. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Window shopping may be less common with the rise of online shopping, but that doesn't mean you are always ready to buy when you come across a great item. In those situations, wishlist can come in handy. In this video, I will show you how to add items to your wish list on your Amazon account. So how to do it is so simple. So first, of course, we have to open our Amazon. Now you can just choose on the products that you want to add to your wish list. Maybe for the example, I will choose this one. You can open the items, the products, and you'll find there is like love icon on there, heart icon here. Sorry, you can see. You can just tap on that here. So the item will be saved to your shopping list or your wish list. I will add another items. We'll add this one too. You can just tap on the heart icon, heart button in here. Maybe for this one too. And if you want to find where this item go or save, you can just go to your U here. And you'll find there is an option you list, your list. You can just tap on that. So here's all the items, all the product that you just ate or saved to your wish list. It's so simple, right? So that is how to add item to wish list on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.